Hi students, good morning to all of you. Hope you are all doing good. This is our sixth lecture in theory of equations. Hope you have watched the previous lectures. Let's get started. In this lecture, I will be solving some cubic polynomial equations when information is given on the roots. Okay.
Here is our next problem. Solve the equation x cube minus 9x square plus 14x plus 24 is equal to 0 given that two of its roots are in the ratio 3 is to 2. Okay. Now with this information we have to solve the given equation. Okay. Let us try to find out the roots of the given equation. Here is the solution. See, given that two of the three roots two of the three roots are in the ratio two of the three roots of the given equation x cube minus 9x square plus 14x plus 24 is equal to 0 are in the ratio 3 is to 2. So in that case, let me consider my roots as, let the roots are, let the roots are 3 alpha, comma 2 alpha, comma beta. Okay. So let me write what is my S1. What is S1 here? S1 is 3 alpha plus 2 alpha plus beta. That is equal to minus of minus 9 implies 5 alpha plus beta is equal to 9 implies beta is equal to 9 minus 5 alpha. Call it equation 1. Now let me find out S2. S2 is what? 3 alpha into 2 alpha plus 2 alpha into beta plus beta into 3 alpha is equal to 14 implies 6 alpha square plus this is 2 alpha beta, this is 3 alpha beta, that is 5 alpha beta is equal to 14 implies 6 alpha square plus 5 alpha beta minus 14 is equal to 0. Call it equation 2. Now put equation 1 in equation 2. We get 6 alpha square plus 5 into alpha. Beta value is 9 minus 5 alpha minus 14 is equal to 0. So this becomes 6 alpha square plus 45 alpha minus 25 alpha square minus 14 is equal to 0. So we get the equation as minus 19 alpha square plus 45 alpha minus 14 is equal to 0. Upon multiplying the equation with minus 1, I will be getting 19 alpha square minus 45 alpha plus 14 is equal to 0. So if I take 19 into 14, so this can be written as 9 into 7 into 2. So that is 38 into 7. So 38 plus 7 is 45. So 19 alpha square minus 38 alpha minus 7 alpha minus 14 is equal to 0. I think this must be, yeah, plus only. This must be plus. So this implies 19 alpha if I take common, this becomes alpha minus 2 minus 7 if I take common, it is alpha minus 2 is equal to 0. Implies this is alpha minus 2 into 19 alpha minus 7 is equal to 0. So the possible values of alpha are, the possible values of alpha are 2 comma 7 by 19. So only one among these two is a correct choice. So let me try with a simple one. So let my alpha is equal to 2. If alpha is equal to 2, then 2 alpha is equal to 4. It is 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. Let me check whether 4 is a root or not. Okay, put 4 in equation 1. Put 4 in the given equation. Then I get 4 cube minus 9 into 4 square plus 14 into 4 plus 24. So this is equal to 64 minus 9 into 16 is 144 plus 14 into 4, this is 14 into 4, that is 56 plus 24. Okay, so 56 plus 24 is 60 plus 20 80, 80 plus 64 is 144. So this actually becomes 0. So this implies alpha is equal to 2 is the correct choice. Therefore, the roots of the given equation. So alpha cannot be 7 by 19. Okay. Therefore, the roots are 2 into alpha, 3 into alpha, comma, beta. So if alpha is equal to 2 implies beta value is equal to 9 minus 5 into 2. So that is 9 minus 10, that is equal to minus 1. So beta, that is equal to 4 comma 6 comma minus 1. Okay, so these are the roots of the given equation. Here is our next problem. Solve the equation 8x cube minus 36x square minus 18x plus 81 is equal to 0 given that the roots are in arithmetic progression. Here is the solution. Given that roots of the equation 8x cube minus 36x square minus 18x plus 81 is equal to 0, call it equation 1, are in arithmetic progression. Okay, so let a minus d comma a plus d be the roots of equation 1 with common difference d. Okay, now let us consider s1. S1 is equal to a minus d plus a plus d is equal to minus of minus 36 divided by 8. So 36 divided by 8 is equal to 9 by 2. So this implies 3a is equal to 9 by 2 implies a is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, so this implies a is equal to 3 by 2 is a root of equation 1 implies x minus 3 by 2 is a factor of equation 1. Now let us factorize the equation using Harner's synthetic division. So let me write the coefficients here. 8 minus 36 minus 80, 18 plus 81. Here I am writing. So first I have to write 0 and 8. And upon adding I will be getting 8. So 3 by 2 into 8 is what? 12. So this is minus 24. So 3 by 2 into minus 24 is minus 36. Minus 36, this is minus 54. So 3 by 2 into minus 54 is minus 27 into 3, that is minus 81. So this becomes 0. So this implies 8x cube minus 36x square minus 18x plus 81 is equal to x minus 3 by 2 into 8x square minus 24x minus 54. Okay, now let us solve. 8x square minus 24x minus 54 is equal to 0. Upon dividing by 2, I get 4x square minus 12x minus 27 is equal to 0. Okay, now this can be written as 4x square plus 6x minus 18x minus 27 is equal to 0. I take common 2x here. This becomes 2x plus 3 minus 9. If I take common, it becomes 2x plus 3. So this is 2x minus 9 into 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. So this implies x is equal to 9 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2. Okay. Therefore, the roots of the equation 1 are minus 3 by 2 comma 3 by 2 comma 9 by 2. Okay, so one can see that these are in arithmetic progression with the common difference 3 actually. Okay, now this way one can find the roots of a given equation when the roots are in arithmetic progression. So this is actually method 1. This is method 1. Now let us see method 2 of solving the above equation. Here is a method 2 without using Harner synthetic division. So we have got the value of a is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, now let me consider S3. S3 is equal to what? A minus D into A plus D. Product of the roots, that is equal to minus 81 divided by 8. Let me substitute. So this is A into A square minus D square is equal to minus 81 by 8. So this is 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 whole square minus d square is equal to minus 81 by 8. So that is equal to what? So this is 9 by 4 minus d square. If I cancel this, I'll be getting minus 27 divided by 4. So this implies d square is equal to 9 by 4 plus 27 by 4. That is equal to 36 by 4. That is equal to 9. So implies d square is equal to 9. Implies d is equal to plus or minus 3. Okay. Now now there are two cases. If d is equal to 3, then the roots are a minus d, that is equal to 3 by 2 minus 3, that is equal to minus 3 by 2, and a is 3 by 2, and a plus d is equal to 3 by 2 plus 3, so that is equal to 9 by 2. So the roots are minus 3 by 2 comma 3 by 2 comma 9 by 2. Now if d value is equal to minus 3, then roots are a minus d, that is equal to 3 by 2 minus of minus 3, that is equal to 3 by 2 plus 3, that is equal to 9 by 2, and a plus d value is 3 by 2 minus 3, that is equal to minus 3 by 2. Therefore roots are minus 3 by 2 comma 3 by 2 comma 9 by 2. So in any case, the roots of equation 1 are minus 3 by 2 comma 3 by 2 comma 9 by 2. Okay, these are the roots actually. Okay, hope you have understood the two methods to solve the roots of the given equation. Here is our next problem. Solve the equation 54x cubed minus 39x square minus 26x plus 16 is equal to 0, given that roots are in GP, that is geometric progression. Okay, so let us solve this equation. Here is the solution. It is given that the roots of the given equation 54x cubed minus 39x square minus 26x plus 16 is equal to 0, call it equation 1, are in geometric progression. We have seen when the roots are in geometric progression how to consider the roots. So let a by r comma a r be the roots of equation 1. Okay, with the common ratio r. Okay, now in the case when the roots are in arithmetic progression, we have considered the sum of the roots. In the case of geometric progression, we are going to consider the product of the roots. So if I take the product of the roots, what am I going to get? That is equal to a cube. So a cube is equal to what? Minus 16 divided by 54 that is equal to minus 8 divided by 27 implies a is equal to minus 2 divided by 3. Okay, so this implies a is equal to minus 2 by 3 is a root of equation 1. This implies x minus of minus 2 by 3, that is equal to x plus 2 by 3 is a factor of the equation 1. Now let us find out the factorization of the given polynomial using Harner synthetic division. So let me write the coefficients of the given equation: 54 minus 39 minus 26 and 16 here. Let me draw that vertical line and write minus 2 by 3 here. Under this 0, so this is 54 minus 2 by 3 into 54 is 3 18s, right? So this is minus 36, so this is minus 75. Yeah, okay. Now minus 2 by 3 into 75 is 50, so this becomes 24. Minus 2 by 3 into 24 is minus 16. The sum is 0. So this implies 54x cube minus 39x square minus 26x plus 16 is equal to x minus of minus 2 by 3 into 54x square minus 75x plus 24. Let us factorize. Let us factorize 54x square minus 75x plus 24. Now let us factorize the quadratic expression 54x square minus 75x plus 24. So let me write this as 54x square, this 54 into 24, this 54 can be written as 27 into 2 into 24. So this is 27 into 48. So 48 plus 27 is 75. Okay, minus 27x minus 48x plus 24. So that is equal to, so let me consider this 27x. This becomes 2x minus 1 minus 24. If I consider, this becomes 2x minus 1. So that is equal to 27x minus 24 into 2x minus 1. So therefore the roots are, one root is minus 2 by 3 and the other two roots are 24 by 27 comma minus 2 by 3 comma 1 by 2. So the roots are 8 by 9 comma minus 2 by 3 comma 1 by 2. So these are the roots of the given equation. So I am writing the roots here. The roots are 8 by 9 minus 2 by 3 comma 1 by 2. So this is actually method 1. We'll do the same problem in method 2. Let us solve the problem in method 2. So method 2, we have got the value of A is equal to minus 2 by 3. Okay. Now consider S1 is equal to A R, sorry, A by R plus A plus AR. This is equal to minus of minus 39 divided by 54. So that is equal to 13 divided by 18. So if I take common A, it is 1 by R plus 1 plus R is equal to 13 divided by 18. So this value is minus 2 by 3 into 1 plus R square by R is equal to 13 divided by 18, implies 1 plus R square is equal to minus 13 into 3 divided by 2 into 18. So that is equal, this implies 1 plus R square is equal to, here this becomes 6, so it is minus 13 divided by 12, implies 12 plus 12R plus 12R square is equal to minus 13 into R, implies 12R square plus 25 into R plus 12 is equal to 0. So this is 12R square plus 16R plus 9R plus 12 is equal to 0. Now let me take common 4R. This becomes 3R plus 4 plus 3. If I take common in the next two terms, I get 3R plus 4 is equal to 0. This implies 4R plus 3 into 3R plus 4 is equal to 0, implies R value is equal to minus 3 by 4 R minus 4 by 3. Now if R value is equal to minus 3 by 4, A by R is equal to minus 2 by 3 divided by minus 3 by 4 is equal to, so 2 by 3 into 4 by 3, that is equal to 8 by 9. So AR value is equal to minus 2 by 3 into minus 3 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore roots are 8 by 9 comma A value is minus 2 by 3 comma 1 by 2. Now if R value is equal to minus 4 by 3, then A by R value is minus 2 by 3 divided by minus 4 by 3, that is equal to 1 by 2, and the AR value is minus 2 by 3 into minus 4 by 3, so that is equal to 8 by 9. So therefore the roots are, again in this case, 1 by 2 comma minus 2 by 3 comma 8 by 9. So in any case, the roots of the equation are 1 by 2, comma, minus 2 by 3, comma, 8 by 9. Okay. Here is our next problem. Solve the equation 6x cubed minus 11x square plus 6x minus 1 given that roots are in harmonic progression. Okay, let us see how to solve this particular problem. Here is the solution. Given that the roots of the equation 6x cubed minus 11x square plus 6x minus 1 is equal to 0, call it equation 1, are in harmonic progression. Okay, now let 1 by a minus d comma 1 by a comma 1 by a plus d are the roots of equation. Now let me consider this as alpha, let me consider this as beta, then we get what is s1 value. S1 value is summation alpha, that is equal to minus of minus 11 divided by 6, so that is equal to 11 by 6, and s2 is equal to summation alpha beta, that is equal to 6 by 6, that is equal to 1, and s3 value is equal to alpha beta gamma, that value is minus of minus 1 divided by 6, so it is 1 divided by 6. Now consider this quantity 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 1 by gamma, that is equal to beta gamma plus alpha plus alpha beta divided by alpha beta gamma, that is equal to S2 divided by S3. So what is S2 divided by S3? 1 divided by 1 divided by 6, that is equal to 6. Now what is 1 by alpha here? That is a minus d, a plus a plus d, that is equal to 6, implies 3a is equal to 6, implies a is equal to 2. So we have got the value of a as 2, but 1 by a is a root. 1 by a is equal to 1 by 2 is a root of equation 1. So this implies x minus 1 by 2 is a factor of equation 1. Now let us factorize the equation using Harner synthetic division. So let me write the coefficients here. 6 minus 11, 6 minus 1. I am writing 1 by 2 here. So 0, I am writing it here. So this is 6. So this value is 3. This becomes minus 8. Upon multiplying, I will be getting minus 4. This is minus 2. Minus 2. So this is plus 2. This is plus 2. This becomes 1. That becomes 0. So this implies 6x cubed minus 11x squared plus 6x minus 1 is equal to x minus half into 6x square minus 8x plus 2. Now let us factorize this particular part. So 6x square minus 8x plus 2 is equal to 6x square minus 6 into 2 is 12. So 6x minus 2x plus 2, I can write it. that is equal to 6x. If I take common, then this becomes x plus 1 into minus 2. If I take common, this becomes x plus 1. So that is x plus 1 into 6x minus 2. So therefore the roots are minus 1 comma 3. So this is 1 by 3 comma 1 by 2 actually. Sorry, I think this is minus 1. So x minus 1. So this is also x minus 1. Therefore the roots will be 1 comma 1 by 3 comma 1 by 2. So the roots are 1 comma 1 by 3, 1 by 2 comma 1 by 3. Okay. Let us do the problem in method 2. Here is method 2. We have got the value of a is equal to 2. Okay. So till that point, the answer remains same. From value after finding the value of a is equal to 2, in the method 1 we use the Harner synthetic division, and in method 2 we use the relations between the roots actually. So S1 is equal to what? 1 by a minus d plus 1 by a plus 1 by a plus d, that is equal to minus of minus 11 divided by 6 actually. So it is 11 by 6, and if I simplify this, this becomes a into a square minus d square. So this becomes a into a plus d, and this is a minus d into a plus d, and this is a into a minus d, that is equal to 11 by 6. So this AD minus AD gets cancelled. So this becomes a square plus AD plus a square minus d square plus a square minus AD divided by a into a square minus d square. That is equal to 11 by 6. So minus AD plus AD gets cancelled. So this becomes 3a square minus d square divided by a into a square minus d square is equal to 11 by 6. So that is equal to 18a square minus 6d square is equal to 11a into a square minus d square. Now substitute the value of a here. This becomes 18 into 4 minus 6d square is equal to, this is 22 into, this is 4 minus d square. So this implies 72 minus 6d square is equal to 88 minus 22d square. Okay, so if I bring it here, 16d square is equal to 88 minus 72, that is 16, implies d square value is equal to 1, implies d is equal to plus or minus 1. Okay, so if d value is equal to 1, then the roots are 1 by a minus d is equal to what? 1 by 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1, and that of 1 by a plus d is equal to 1 divided by 2 plus 1, that is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore the roots are 1 comma 1 by 2, comma 1 by 3. If d value is equal to minus 1, 1 by a minus d value becomes 1 by 2 minus of minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3, and 1 by a plus d is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. So therefore the roots are, even in this case also, it is 1 by 3 comma 1 by 2 comma 1. So in any case the roots are 1, 1 comma 1 by 2 comma 1 by 3. Okay.